Lion mating is a critical aspect of their behavior and survival. Here's a brief overview. Mating behavior. Lions are polygamous and can mate throughout the year. Males may follow a fertile female closely, mating every 20-30 minutes during her receptive period, which lasts about 3 to 4 days. Reproduction cycle. Female lions, lionesses, have a variable reproductive cycle and can go into estrus multiple times a year. They can give birth to 1 to 4 cubs after a gestation period of around 110 days. Social dynamics. Mating can also be a way for lions to establish dominance or reinforce social bonds within their pride. This complex mating system ensures genetic diversity and increases the chances of cub survival by confusing paternity, which can deter infanticide by males.
This intense period of mating leaves little time for either lion to eat. However, this fasting period is temporary, and they will resume their normal eating habits once the mating period is over.
Don't forget to follow us in social media to get our new videos like this. TikTok as Tanzania Wonderland, Instagram Tanzania Wonderland, and YouTube Tanzania Wonderland. Thank you.